So this tea is Bougainvillea tea. It's an essential Mexican home remedy for a bad cough or sore throat. I have to say you've probably seen this plant before. Look here, this is what it looks like. It's usually on homes. So the recipe is pretty simple. You boil water, add the water with the flowers. You can add lime, you can add honey. I decided to skip the honey this time and just added lime. The reason it works so well as a natural cough remedy is because it contains natural antibiotic properties. It's also anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antifungal, anti-ulcer, antiviral. The list goes on, and the taste is pretty subtle. I'm a big fan.